In this video, I will show you how to stop junk mail in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is sign into your Gmail account. And I want you to understand that there are several ways for you to stop junk mail in Gmail. The first thing you can do is you can report the sender. So if you've received an email that you think is junk repeatedly, you can click on that email, come to these three dots, and you can report the sender here, and you can also block them. The next thing you can also do is unsubscribe. If it's from a promotional email, you can unsubscribe and you stop receiving that email. And for you to find emails that are promotional emails, what you can do is you can come here. It's usually a header of the inbox where you can click and see promotions. If you don't have it like this, you can go to settings, see all settings, go to inbox, and you can turn it on the categories. Scroll down and then you click on save changes. And now you can see promotions. You can click on them and then you can unsubscribe either in the email or here. And you can also go to settings, go to see all settings, go to filters and blocked addresses, and here you can create a new filter, put in the sender's email and click on create filter, and here you can delete it. Once the email comes through, you can have it deleted and you can create filter, and you can find your filter here. And the last thing you can do is you can go to spam and you can go to delete all spam messages now, and all the messages will be deleted. And that's how you stop junk mail in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.